Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Katrice, and today we're going to be doing a get ready with me type of video. It's going to be me trying a new makeup trend that I got from TikTok, and also trying a new eyeshadow kind of look. But before we get into that video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below if you're new to the channel, and don't forget to also turn on your post notifications so that you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And we're just going to hop right into it. First, I'm going to go ahead and do my my base. I'm gonna do my eyebrows and my foundation, and then that's when the makeup from TikTok comes into play. So I'm not really gonna talk about which makeup I'm using. You all already know the makeup that I use, and if you don't, I have so many get ready with me that you can look at. So just look at those. So I'm gonna just speed through this part so you can just watch and see. Alright, so this is the base of my makeup, just my eyebrows, my foundation. The next part is where we add in the TikTok trend of where you contour and add your blush. So I'll be right back. So as you can see here, I'm on TikTok, and it's basically stating that I should contour my cheeks right here instead of where I normally contour my cheeks, which is right here, and that my highlight would go right above that. So that is going to be the trend that I'm trying, how I'm going to contour. It's supposed to bring your face up, so I'm going to see if I actually like this, because I already have pretty high cheekbones, and I feel like when I do this, I'm probably going to look like super lifted in the face. So we're going to see, and I'm actually going to film my TikTok while I'm doing this as well. Alright, so I actually used the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette for my contour shade, which is going to be this shade right here in the middle. And it's saying to contour from here to here. This is super high. Okay, so that's my contour. It actually already, like, I don't know if I like this. So that's the contour. And then I'm going to contour my nose as usual. Now, there's one thing I did forget to do, which was highlight my face. So I'm gonna go highlight my face real quick. And I continue to use the MAC Studio Fix 24-hour concealer. I forgot I still have this foundation on my hand. Lord have mercy. Alright, and I'm just going to blend that out. I literally just wet it. I'm going to try to blend it right where it is without moving it too much. Alright, so I kind of cut the line where it said that it was supposed to be so I could just fluff it out a little bit more. I'm going too far. Because I don't want a sharp line, but I do want to just keep it exactly where it said it was supposed to be. This is kind of hard. Okay. I think I got it where it looks decent now, and I've highlighted everywhere I needed to highlight. Kind of tone down this contour on my nose. Okay, y'all, it don't even look different on the camera. Whatever. So, put my earring back in. Back to TikTok, I guess. Now I'm going to add some blush, and I'm going to use that same palette using this orange color right here in the middle. I'm going to use a big fluffy blush brush, and I'm going to just put it right at the top of that contour. So literally almost in my eyes. This is where I would usually put like glitter highlight. But I'm gonna put the blush right there. Y'all, I don't know if I like this. Okay, I'm gonna finish my face and I'm gonna come back. I don't know if I like this, y'all. I'm gonna put a little bit on the tip of my cheek too. So that's why I like it. Right there. I think it kind of blends out the contour for being so high. So I do like that though. I do like that it blends out that contour a little bit more. And then now I need to figure out, be quiet, Michaela. Now I need to figure out what my eyeshadow is gonna be. So we can like finish this full makeup look. So I'll try something like this. I don't know if y'all could really see, but it has like some darker color on the outside and like a shimmer in the middle. So I'm gonna try that makeup look today. I think that's super cute, and it's like right on my alley because I love a good smoky eye. So I'm gonna see if it's gonna actually work out, because I'm not the best makeup artist. Like, I don't do makeup like that for real. I just do my same everyday beat type makeup. But I'm gonna see if I can zhuzh it up a little bit. So let's get into it. So I'm going to use that same palette that I did my contour and blush with, and I'm going to go in first with this same contour shade, and I'm going to put it on the outside and the inside of my eye. So
Every other word is a yeah, okay.
And then now, after I got my little base, I'm gonna go in with this darker shade. I'm not gonna do too much because this is super dark. I'm just gonna kind of layer it, like tap it on to what I already have, so it's not too dark. I don't want to look goth. I just want it to be like, bam, Ebony, try something new. And I think tapping it on was the best idea I could have came up with because this color is super dark. And then after I kind of tap this in to get the color that I want, I'm just gonna go back in with that with the clean brush and kind of blend them back together.
Tell the truth, who you with? How would you like it if I came over with my...
Alright, so now that we're at this stage, leave a comment on how well you think this looks. I'm gonna zoom in just a little. How well do you think this makeup look is going to turn out? Leave a comment down below right now. Timestamp it right now. So the next color in the middle is more on her skin tone. It was like kind of her skin tone. So I'm going to use, this isn't too glittery. I'm going to use, I think I want to use this color here. I don't know what it's called, but I'm gonna try this color first and see how I like it. And I'm just going to use a flat brush. Benin, I think that's what it's called. I don't think I've ever used this color. So I'm gonna just pack it on to the middle. Oh, this is the perfect color. It's kind of like a little sunset. I like it. I think I'm liking it so far. I like this. I don't know what to call it, but I'm liking it so far. Okay, now I'm going to add my eyeliner. So I have my eyeliner on. I'm gonna go wash my hands before I mess up the rest of my face. Alright, so I have my eyeliner on. I'm now gonna finish baking the rest of my face, putting on my lashes and everything like that. So this part will be silent because you all seen me do this a million times. So I'm just gonna do my usual baking, but again, keeping it high where I just have the right above where I have the new contour line. Alright, so this is the final look. Let me know how you guys like it. I do kind of like how high the contour is now that I've done the rest of my face. It kind of does bring my face up. Even though I already have really high cheekbones, it's not unflattering. I'll say that. Like, just looking at it from side to side, it looks pretty good. I like it. So I don't know if I'll continue to doing my face like this, but I might switch it up like this every now and then. And also the eyeshadow look, to die for, and it was super easy. I feel like anybody could do this eyeshadow look. So if you do try it, leave a comment down below or tag me in your video. I would love to see how it looks on you. Again, if you're new to the channel and you made it this far and you enjoyed this video, I have plenty more like it. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and you can go ahead and watch the playlist full of all of my makeup videos I've done in the past and all the ones that I will do in the future. And again, turn on those post notifications so that you're notified each and every time I post a new video here on my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Katrice. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.